First Christmas present ever for Mason Heinrich Cecil. Say hello to the camera.
It's from the German Santa.
Say hello.
Hi.
Are you excited about your first Christmas present? Okay.
So you got Grandpa here. Hi,
Yeah.
Grandpa.
Yeah. Okay, let's get to something. Let's see if you can help. Oh! Oh!
Yay!
Yay! That's good for your first one. Okay.
Okay, let
Give me
go.
that. He's opening it.
Look at you, mister.
Grab it. Here. A little bit more. Pull. Pull. A
Hi.
little bit more. Come on. Almost there.
Hi.
Got it.
Yay.
Let go of the paper.
He's like, I like paper.
Let me go.
I like paper. Yeah, hi. Hi, Smiley. What are you getting?
Ooh. Little Pim.
German!
Yay.
You can get a little Pim out for him.
It's German Deutsch. Deutsch. Say thank you, Santa.
Yeah.
Thank you, Santa.
Yeah. Can we get a little Pim out for you? Can you get him the panda out?
Yeah. Look, take a picture, Mommy.
Up. On.
My first Christmas present. My first Christmas present ever. Yay. Yay.
Oh, look how happy you are. You want to get the box out of the picture? Pim!
Your new body. You can put stuff in there, too. Your new body. Pim.
Yeah. Yeah, I like Pim.
Oh.
Yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yeah. All right. Merry Christmas, Mason.
Special. It's your first Christmas present.